This how we have Gran Torino. Pass the beginning down on the inside is box. Rogue joining them Crystal Sprite and followed by Security Prince Yellowstone. Flawless and Top Connection is the early trailer. We have Crystal Sprite, the leader by Oralang Ganehapa. Security Prince coming from behind now takes the lead. Security Prince, the leader by about 2 lengths this time. Crystal Sprite in second. Rogue. Gran Torino is on the outside for Danori inside E-Box. Flawless comes next. Yellowstone and Top Connection. Security Prince by about 2.5 lengths. And in second, Crystal Sprite. Rogue now in third. E-Box in fourth. And here comes Gran Torino. Now trying to get closer in Flawless. Security Prince followed now by Crystal Sprite's E-Box. Gran Torino now moving up on the outside third. Security Prince still in front by Oralang Ganehapa. Crystal Sprite, Gran Torino is on the outside. As they come down to the last 150. Security Prince by about 2 lengths. Gran Torino is on the outside. Gran Torino is on the outside. Security Prince. Security Prince. Gran Torino is on the outside. Security Prince. Gran Torino is on the outside. Finally close finish. Security Prince, Gran Torino. Then comes E-Box.
3-4-1, datingan natin. Medyo hindi maganda sa lida, pero